Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been about 10 months since I got the car, and I didn't think I drove it that much, but I actually drove it around 2,000 miles already, and I haven't done an oil change yet. And also I checked the oil, and it was overfilled by a lot, so that's never a good sign. I should have checked. It's my fault for not checking. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing the oil change today. It takes a Wix 51348 filter, and I have a 0W40 5 quarts. There are a lot of differing opinions about what oil to use online, but 0W40 seems to be a pretty standard one, and it is the most widely available one around where I live, so I'm gonna go with this one. Oh God. So the oil is in, so I'm gonna start my car for a few minutes and let the oil cycle, and then I'm gonna check the level. Alright guys, that's it for the oil change video. I would take it out for a quick spin, but right now it's 93 degrees outside and this car doesn't have AC, so I think I'll wait till later. So yeah, I hope it helped. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.